Hi, my dudes. Ann Taylor. I hope you had a nice weekend. I'm recording this on Sunday and it's really beautiful out. But we are ready for math. We're going to start with something new. I know we kind of took an easy week and then we talked about word problems, but we're going to go back to some expressions and equations, and I'm going to teach you how to work with equations. But today we're going to start with something a little bit more simple. Okay, so ready? Ready. I wish I had my megaphone. I should bring it home. You guys miss that, don't you? All right, so here's the plan. Today's topic, we're going to talk about inverse operations. We're going to practice. And you've got 2 learning goals for this. I need you by the end of this slideshow to be able to say these 2 things. Number 1, I can tell what the word inverse means. Meaning, if I say, what does inverse mean? You can tell me the definition. And number 2, I can identify inverse operations. And I'll show you what those are in a second. Okay, inverse operations. Now, listen, don't get overwhelmed by this definition. I know it's long. Just kidding. Inverse is a fancy word for opposite. You guys know opposites, right? Hot and cold, up and down, big and little, tall and short. Okay, you get it. But in math, we use the word inverse right here to talk about operations. This is a very important thing that you need to remember, okay? When we are talking about operations right here, we mean addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We are not talking about surgery, okay? Not. See, I even got a fancy little pointer. Not talking about surgery. So, let me move this out of your way. Look at this picture. In this column, I have my operations. This is my addition, it's a plus sign, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And what do you notice? Okay, remember, inverse means opposite, but it is a 6th grade word. So instead of opposite, we do need to practice using the word inverse. Okay, it's important. You're going to use this a lot in 7th grade. And it's coming up quick, my dudes. Ann Taylor. What do you notice? It says the inverse or the opposite of addition is subtraction. The inverse of subtraction is addition. It's like addition and subtraction always go together no matter what. The inverse of multiplication is division, and that means the inverse of division is multiplication. See, with inverse operations, all we need to know is what the opposite or the inverse of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are. And that's not too bad, right? Right, it's not bad at all. This stuff is simpler than y'all think. All right, so this is what I want you to imagine. This is going to make your lives a little bit easier. Addition and subtraction are married, okay? They always go together. Multiplication and division are married. They always go together, no matter what. Always go together. So the inverse of addition is subtraction, and that means the inverse of subtraction is addition. Okay, that married couple, addition and subtraction, go together. And then the inverse of multiplication is division, and the inverse of division is multiplication. They are married. They go everywhere together. They love each other for life. Commitment, baby. All right, this is where I want you to try, okay? Let me move my head. Using the slideshow to help you, you can go back and look at the picture, whatever you need, but I don't think you'll need to. And if you do, it's okay. You need to type in the inverse of each operation, okay? You can use words or you can use symbols. If you choose to use symbols for division, which I can show you how to do that on the Chromebook, but it's tricky. Just use the fraction line, all right, like this. You can use words, you can use symbols. So what I want you to do, here are the operations. I've got addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. I want you to come over here and type in the inverse. And that's all I'm asking from you today, okay? Please, please, please remember that tomorrow at 11 o'clock, I'm going to put a link in the Google Classroom for our live class. So that means two things. Two. One, I'm going to take this a step further. And two, I will help you if you need it. I will help you with this. I will help you with the other worksheet. Okay, I'm online. We're going to hang out just like we used to in math class. We're going to try to make this as normal and as fun as possible. Okay, good luck. Let me know if you need me. I'm here for you. See you tomorrow at 11. Okay, bye.